Uh, Hello everyone. So we are back again. Actually, previously we are facing some issues due to glitch. So we are unable to share screen. And let's continue our live session. Let's just check me once. Are we live properly or not? So just a second. Checking it. Screen. Let's continue live session. Let's just check. Okay, so we are fine, good to go. So what we are doing actually, we are trying to practice the system design questions without instruction or without a hint of instructions and suppose things, supported things. So here we are back again. So this was our questions. Let's go through them again because we didn't able to share the screen properly last time. So what we have to do is we have to create a backend pipeline, which is for just a second. What we have a pipeline. Mm, mm, mm. What was the question actually? Just a second. Yeah, this was the question. Let's just check is everything is working properly or not. So what we have to do is yeah, it's fine. I have checked with checked and let's see. So this was the question is the event driven order tracking pipeline. Okay. So create the scenario was to design a backend logistic pipeline for a food delivery platform. Okay. Where a restaurant updates order to the food ready. Three separate microservices must trigger instantly. Okay. So we are here dealing with the three different microservices. So with that, we have to create our system design. We have to do a system design for a backend logistic pipeline. So here we are having a three different thing. So here I was so much confused about how we are going to perform this and work on it. Okay. So let's just have understand a clear thing. So we have created a central hub in that we are passing a message. Okay. Let's just see how we can pass a message. By default, we have a constructor here. Okay. So we have to pass a message received something. When a central hub tries to send a message, so how it will be sending a message? Let's just understand how a central hub will be send a message. Update or send message. Mm, like he will be doing the send message is food ready, right? So like this the restaurant will send a message to the central hub and we are receiving, so we are have a send message. Okay, send messages, receiving a message from the here. So here I think we have been create a this it is of a data. Let's data. So we will be accessing this dot hashtag data equals to message. We will pass this message to a sent message. So send the restaurant has a contact to the central hub and they have been sent message. Okay, so here we are going to and we are also having a message receive for our convenient, so we can see the message has been received. Okay, in that return this dot hashtag data uh, received data equals to this thing. Let's give it into the backticks, so we have a properly view on it. Okay, just a second. Is that audio is audible? Okay, I think so. Our audio is audible and clear to hearable also. Let's just increase if need. Okay, no, not need. So we have been done this thing. We have sent a message. This will message is stored and console.log to receive message. So it will be able to see the message also. We'll just check. Uh, I think some internet issue is there. Mm -mm -mm. Yeah, we receive the data which is food ready. And what we have to do now is we have to pass this data which has passed. Message has been received by the central hub. What we have to do, we have to pass to delivery driver and the customer SMS notifier also with financial billing laser. So food is ready. Mm, So it will be first go to this thing driver. Driver as a constructor. Okay. Do we have something understandable, relatable here? What we can do is school is closing earlier. So ready, food ready. Pin note says school is ready, which is food ready. Walk away. The service, okay. Checks. The service, the codes check by the don't wait for the principal to call them. They simply subscribe. They simply subscribe. Watch that notice board. So what we have to visualize. Uh, what does this mean by subscribe here? See, we got a SMS alert. We got a message from the restaurant. So this is a restaurant, right? Restaurant A R U Restaurant A R U R A N T. I just suppose the spelling of a restaurant is like this. So restaurant central hub we have been created, and restaurant has message us restaurant dot send message for understanding restaurant like ARURANT. Does it spelling right? Mm-mm-mm. Let's check it. Mm, let's copy this and paste this. RESTAUTAURANT. TAU torrent. Torrent. Okay. Here, copy this and paste here. Restaurant, and we are having not C1 restaurant dot send message. So for central hub, we have been create a central hub. A restaurant sent a message to the central hub. In that central hub, we have been sent a food ready message. Okay, and the restaurant dot message received. So our central hub has received the message. Okay, just a second, coming back. So let's just see and focus. Mm, restaurant has sent a message. Food is ready, and we received a message. Okay, message has been received. Mm-mm-mm. But how are supposed to send forward this message? Let's create a message. Forward to services. Forward to services. Yeah. Mm, how is trying to forward these services? Mm. We have a three separate microservices. Mm, 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 mm. Define a service. Give one of your services class a method like update inform order info. Okay, let's follow this. Update. We have a update method, and this we have a order info. Okay, so define the hub, central hub, and a array to store subscribers. Uh, Still not able to figure it out. Mm, let's take a hint from the. Okay, so we have created our assumption is assumption like this guide us for next steps, and also explain how you are thinking in that way. Okay, let's just ask them only because we are unable to think. Yes, we are moving in interesting directions. You have correctly identified the central hub needs to hold the order information like food ready. That service need to update order info method to receive that message. Okay, so what we have to do is update order. So let's do a quick system alignment check. Right now your code setups a restaurant directly as the central hub in the real system. Restaurant is an external actor and a central hub is a central messaging bus. Okay. Here explain how the system designer thinks about the next step to wire this us up. Explain with a zero code block so you can build the logic yourself. Okay. How system designer thinks about this flow. If you look at the current central hub, it has a method name called forward to service. Forward to service. Sorry, forward to service. Okay. Is isolated. Right now, your central hub is isolated. It doesn't have a list who to call. If your hard coded delivery driver out inside the hub, your system becomes tightly coupled, meaning if you want to add a fourth service tomorrow, you would have a break, open the central hub code and rewrite it. Okay. The memory list. Central hub needs an internal list like a JavaScript array to hold a reference to the services that want to listen. Sign up window, the central hub needs a method. Let's call it add subscriber and accept a service. But what do you mean by a subscriber here? Uh, mm, I didn't understand. What do you mean by subscriber here? Because I didn't understand. Able to understand what the subscriber means. In a system design, a subscriber is simply an object or a service that has signed up to a received updates from your central hub. Think of it exactly like a real world YouTube subscriber or Netflix subscriber. Your YouTube channel is a central hub. Upload new video is a food ready event. Okay. User subscriber clicks the subscribe button because they subscribe, their app automatically gets a notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. Okay, in your code, what is a subscriber? A subscriber is an instance of a services class like a driver, delivery driver, route, customer service or billing. For an object or a qualify as a subscriber in the design, it must fulfill one golden rule. It must have a dot update order info method. This ensures that when the hub loop through of its list of watcher, it can reliably call that method on every single of them. Okay, visual the data flow. New driver route is a subscriber. Okay, hub dot add subscriber is add describe. Oh, okay, got it. Understanding. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. is like this. Try the adding this dot subscriber is a array and a central hub constructor method push instances. Okay, the subscriber here means is not any other thing. It means this classes, actually these services which we are creating. Okay, let's follow its okay, we have a driver services, right? It's a little bit complex, too much, and it's an irritation for me. Driver service, we have a driver service. Okay, a new delivery driver router. Okay, so we created this thing. Let's copy this. Okay, and what we are try to doing is instead of restaurant we are calling this hub. This is a central hub. Okay, and what we are trying to do is hub dot we will be add subscriber. Instead of subscriber, let's add this add service. Okay, for our better understanding, we have a add service here. Add service, service, service. Okay, which will having a service name. Okay, we have a service name instead of like just service, and here we are trying to add driver service. So like this we are able to add any of the service we can create, and we can just add it to there. Okay, so I've just added the service here and receive this service here. So here we are also maintaining what we are maintaining, we are maintaining here constructor. We will be getting this we are getting anything. This dot subscribers, this dot subscribers subscribers equals to, we are having array. I'll just assume this thing. Okay, for now we have data as a message, data message. Okay, here just updating data message, here also data message. Okay, so what we have done, we have been adding this thing, add service. For now just going with flow, add service, service equals to this dot uh, services, this dot services dot push service. We have been pushed successfully a service. Okay, so what we have been done here, let's maintaining the thing here. So now how the thing is going, uh created a hub, created a hub. Okay, so we have been created a hub. After that, now service is become dynamic. Service has become dynamic. See how it's going. Just a second, is audio is properly audible? Mm, let me just check me. Is we are audible properly? Oh yes, audible is quite little bit, but no issue. Let's just go to the questions again. Central hub data messages constructor this dot message, and we have been created a array. So whenever we add a services, it will be add. So let's add a services. We have added a services. After that, what will be happening is when the food is ready. So we are here. What we'll do, the hubs loop through the list and passes the message forward. Okay, inside the forward or services. Okay, so here we are creating a forward to services. We have a method here. What we have to do, looks at your array and finds driver and triggers driver dot subject service dot update is equals to food ready. So what does this mean? So it will needs to update your update order informations we will getting here. Okay, right. mm, 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 mm. Mm-hmm. We are figuring out quite good. So what we will do this, we will be running a loop in this, and let's run a loop. Uh, Rather than for loop using, it will be, let's have a map const response equals to this dot services is array dot map. What will map do? Uh, it will be like sequentially, right? But what will be having a map here? So map has a item which is a service. So it will be just returning the item dot update. Item dot return the item dot update with the food ready message, right? So this dot hashtag data message is the correct thing. Let's go with a casual normal only for loop because it's creating a little hectic. Less than this dot services, okay, dot length and I plus plus. So what we will do is this dot services of I dot update. Okay, update. We are calling the every services uh, which is having this, which is having a driver, right? Driver services dot update. So in that we are update. What is update? Update is this dot hashtag data message. Okay, we will pass this data message to every uh what we call, let's just take me here, this is up here. Okay. mm, okay. Okay. Okay, so we have been passes this service forward to services. Good. We have passes this to the delivery driver route. What next step we should take is okay. Message has come reached to the hub, and hub has transported to the driver, and this driver need to be uh, when driver get this add services update. So what should it do? Mm, it should tell that, yeah, get services, got the services. What should driver should do when I got a message? Okay, just understand about a driver related. Uh, Driver services. What it's here? Okay. No, not here. He got this dot method, which means here we can see update. Food is ready. When driver got to know about food is ready, so this should pass to message update. order information. Food is ready. When the food is ready, then it should, what should it do? Looking for a driver, right? Food is ready. So console.log, uh, let's have a this dot data here also. Updated data. Updated data. Updated data equals to okay, having this, we're just having an array in that we should no updated data is null first of all, and what we will do is this dot updated data equals to order information. It has a order information, right? And after that we will call this uh, find driver equals to find driver method created. What we will do is find driver. We'll check if the if this dot updated dated is not equals to null, then it should call to find driver. Okay, and it will be return and find driver with this dot updated data. Okay, got it. And here we got a message. Else what should I do? If it is not return didn't get order. So okay, updated message. We got a message. So now what we will should do is with the message is console.log finding ri driver were finding driver. So we are doing finding driver and driver service looks array find the driver service and triggers. So finding driver console.log because this because message. Yeah, so we got this thing with yeah, the best capability and knowledge. After that we are having a different class which is about class customer SMS. Okay, constructor. So SMS constructor. So what is it doing? This dot updated. Same, this dot updated data equals to null. First of all, it's a null. Apart from this, what it will be do is uh, just sort it up. Update order information. So here also we are having a update order info. Okay, so we are dealing with a 3 microservices and a central hub. We are designing a system design for a pipeline for a delivery system. So let's understand. So we have been created a system for the delivery driver route and now for the customer SMS notifier. So here we will be having a this dot updated data equals to order info. Okay, yeah, it has a order info, right? If same thing we will do is copy paste. If updated is not return find driver. So here we didn't have a find driver. We will send SMS, send SMS. We have a message. We will just copy this and replace this thing. Send SMS. This dot. If not equals to null. If not equals to null, we will send SMS. Food ready. Didn't get. Okay, so we got the message. So what we are going to do is return didn't get order. Customer notification. Update. If update didn't get orders, yeah. After that, console.log. Just copy this thing. Yeah. Your order is coming. Is your order is Your order is delivering soon. So okay, we have this thing. Okay, so with our best knowledge we have been creating this, and now we are having a third thing, which is about customer financial. Let's just close this. Customer, not customer, it's a financial billing ledger. uh, how it's supposed to customer message. We got your order is delivering soon and food is ready because food is ready. Find driver because food is ready. So how does the financial billing ledger? Calculating a billings like kind of constructor. Let's have a constructor and this dot updated data. First of all, it's a null here. Okay. So we have a update method also here. Order information. Okay. In that, let's just copy and paste because it will having a same thing, just having basics changes. This dot update alert if return. So what we will be do is uh, prepare bill. Prepare bill. It has a message. We will be copying a prepare bill. Okay. What we have is prepare bill. How we are going to send a message. So let's just copy this and send this thing here. Okay, your order. Your bill is your bill. No? Bill is uh, what we have to do is financial billing ledger. Bill is getting ready. Bill is preparing soon. Bill is preparing because messages. Yeah, I think so. This is our best understanding that we have been understood and work with it. So this is a central hub, and apart from this we have a three services, and this is a restaurant. Okay, so hub is sent message. So how does the hub is going to send a message? So we have a add. Where is the add hub? So now just a second. Yeah, comment this thing or remove this thing. Okay, so what we have, just a second. Okay, so currently this is a Google only. So this is okay. We have a viewer Rajat Pratik Singh. Sorry if I mispronounce. Currently I am just using a Google only, Google AI mode. This is a AI mode of a Google. I am asking the questions to him and understanding, taking questions, instructions, hints from him. So solving the questions. So nothing else we have been using. So we are just googling the thing and asking it, using its AI mode for understanding and asking a practice session. Okay, so we have added a add services, driver services. Apart from that we have to add other two services. Let's just copy this and paste. Okay, we are having central hub. Second services is okay, so we have to create, right? Const SMS service. Okay, new. After that we have to have const bill service. Okay, we have a new. Just copy this and paste here. Okay, so we have created, and now just have a SMS service here. Let's have a bill service here. Okay, so we have three different services. After that we have to just what we have to do, firstly we have been deleted, right? We have to driver services dot update add services. After that we just need driver service dot update. So when we do this update, what will be happening? Order information getting here. Yeah, so just copy this, and we are doing this driver services dot update. Mm, 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 mm. Wait a second. Mm, yeah, that's a great. That's a low level designing. Yeah, interesting. Share your experience. We are also here for learning. We can learn from each other's experience. So if you have a certain questions or you are solving something, share with us. Share it in our comment section or in our community section. On the YouTube, we have a community. So there we have share able to share our post. You can also share our post. We will love to share your practice sessions, your practice notes, and we can practice together and learn, grow better together. Thank you, Pratik Singh. We will love to see your post. Okay, so let's just have a driver service dot update. Food. Food is ready. Okay, so let's just check what is happening. Let's just checking if we are encountering any something issues from here. Mm, 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 mm. Let's just see. It's took a little bit to create. Okay, return if find driver is not defined. Line number JS number line number 37. 37. 37. Find driver. Mm, okay. Yeah, I did forgot. Was this dot? Uh, it should be constructor or something else that we should uh call. I'm a little bit confused about. Uh, this dot. Mm, I don't want to. I want to call this dot class dot. Let's just try with constructor. This dot constructor dot driver. Let's just try run this. Let's just try hit and try. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. What are we are wrong here? We are facing some issue, but like what? Mm, mm. Okay, so we got yeah, this was not a correct option. Let's just ask Google how to call uh, a method inside a class, um, class. Just this. Sorry, I have to mention in GS. Mm, use keyword outside. Okay. I want to use this dot start engine, this dot start engine, this dot drive. Okay. So we don't use to constructor keyword here. We can access this dot find driver. Let's just check. Yeah, that's a great thing. We are actually practicing this in the JavaScript because it will be help to in our web development and other development purpose we will be doing. So it will be help to us while coding. So that's why we have chosen the JavaScript and we are working with it. Okay. So yeah, it's good. We are able to see this finder driving. So just we have to pass this food ready. What we have to need to do is not just updating like this food ready from here. I just want to this is hub is transforming. So what I will do is here message sent. I will directly message send to the hub, sent message. So what I will do is doing here is hub dot send message. Is this full form or short form? Send message. Okay, full form message message, and here we are sending the food ready. So let's just check. So when I call this thing, so it will be automatically calling this three services which are microservices: driver service, SMS service, and billing service, and all of them printing like this thing. Driver service is finding driver, and other SMS service will SMS sending, and billing service will preparing a bill like this. Let's just check. uh Also we didn't put the async, right? Because they will take their own time because they are deployed in a as a microservices. Let's just check. It's little taking too much time. Okay, we didn't get any of the result. Why it's so okay, after that we have to call this also, right? Forward services. So let's just hub dot forward services. Let's just check how it's working. mm, just a second. Waiting. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, let's okay, we got a error. Send 56, line number 56. 56, line number 56. 60, 56 again. So what we are doing is this. Okay, go to this dot send a message. After that we are having this, no issue. Here also we are having a this dot prepare. Okay, now it's okay. Let's just check. Try again. Okay. Okay. Mm, Just a second, checking it. It's a little bit lagging here, I think so. Okay. Mm-mm. Yeah, finally we got the answer, and you can see the response. Finding driver because your food is delivering soon and billing preparing. This was a driver service message, and this was a delivering message, SMS message, I think so. And this is the bill prepare. But the one thing is we have been missed here is okay, so we have learned from the YouTube and from the big creators. We have practiced them, and one of the important thing is that they all said, and I also believe that we have to practice by ourselves only. because if we didn't practice more and more, we didn't learn. So in this live sessions, we are practicing more about the JS and other thing, and practicing and increasing our learning and knowledge about it. So I hope so you understand. Shubham Mishra, you have to, Shubham Mishra, you all also join us and practice with us more and more about it. So we welcome you to our channel and our community. You can share your questions and some of the related you are practicing, or you want to share your time stone or milestone you have achieved. So you can share with our in our post section in our community. We have a YouTube community tab there. You can share your journey too. We are sharing also there. So welcome here, guys. Practice together and grow together. So we have been completed. The one of the important thing we have been missed here is what we have been missed here. I think so. According to questions we have been missed, let's just give the solutions to the AI and ask how it's performing. Analyze solution and give feedback on it. I think we have missed a asynchronous thing, because service will be deployed at some point. You did it. System design milestone cleared. Okay, absolutely perfection. 10 out of 10. Finally, this was actually a little more tricky because we didn't, and we'll also take a hint some of this here to understand how the system will be figure it out. So we ask AI to some give a visual data flow so we can crack it, and here we are. We have been cracked the system miles design milestone. So you have a successful shifted your mindset to think like a software architecture. You implement a production grade observer design pattern completely from scratch. Yep, we have been doing this thing from scratch without taking instructions further. We just take the something little bit understanding about how the flow is going to. Full stack or front end or back end, did you learn from DSA along with development? Just focus on development. Okay, so our friend Joe Mishra has a question. Okay, yeah, I'm practicing DSA also apart from this. So I'm also practicing the full stack and full stack related stuff. We will be going soon to work on some projects, some heavy interesting projects. You can share your projects if you want to share about it, or you want to work some specific. Our motto is to excel in the system design, so we can have a excellent understanding about the design system and architecture about thing, how the system we can improve, how can we efficiently and optimizely write a code. Our goal is that. And we have a plan to work on packages. We are so much curious about how the packages are written, how the extension are. So what do you execute flawless? Your complete decoupling locus central hub. It doesn't contain. Okay, it doesn't contains the word delivery, okay, SMS or a financial billing anywhere in the code. It simply holds a list of item call update on them, which means add 50 new services, yeah, without altering. So yeah, this is a good. We didn't want hard coded services now. We just added delivery, creating a services and just add services. So it's a scalable also. In future, we need a 50 things, 50 services. We can add a 50 services without any stuck. So dynamic subscription management, your ad service method correctly handles references. Okay. Unified contract interface, your single one of your service class accumulate implements order method. This is a standard correct interface allows your hub broadcasting loop. Okay. Without throwing type crashes. Okay. Got it. One crucial execution insight, the silently run return trait. Okay. So we have some minor bugs also. Let's just address that. Uh, Look into the update method. Okay, update method. Let's go to the update info. Update info. This dot update info. If null, return didn't get orders. Okay. What happens? You are returning return keyword here. When this dot find driver. Okay, find driver. finishes its console.log, it implicitly returns undefined, which goes back to hub for loop. Okay. So the system design trait, because your central hub forwarded loops triggers the method without saving what they return. Example, you wrote this dot services. Okay, okay, okay. Return didn't disappear completely into thin air. The best practice is to use the map. I think so. Not map. Uh, is to it not null. So this dot find this driver. Okay, okay, okay. They're telling us don't use the return keyword here. Okay, understood. This dot driver. Else, what we will do is else we will do console.log. What we will do console.log. Yeah, got it. So like this, we are going to doing. You have been officially broken this walls. You have successfully mastered. Okay, mastered the mindset, writing procedural scripts to. Okay, 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 okay. Project one, real time Redis style memory regions. Okay, e-commerce architectural circuit breaker. Yeah, so these are the steps that we are going to do in our next session. For now, this is a long thing that we have been practices so much and we have been understood. Yeah, you can join us, join our community, share your thoughts, share your questions, you're practicing, thinking about this thing. We will love to see your things. Okay, that's it from our side today. We will be meet in the next session. Okay. We have a message from our viewer, Shivam Mishra. Okay, I am not from the IT background, so I am also learning web dev for my own self. Alongside, I also prepare for government. Oh, that's a great. You can have. It's not necessary you come from the IT background only. If you are interested, you can go and you can understand how this logic is building and how the things are going on. You can practice deep dive into this, and you can explore it. Yeah, that's a great you are also preparing for government exams and you're yeah, that's a great thing, buddy. Explore that. If you have interest, go deep dive. You are also having a some of the great opportunities in government sites also, using this web development also, or rather than web just stuck into web development, you can go to apart from that, along with this in the field of a data science, data analyst. So web development, for now today's the web development is just a starter. So when you deep dive into the web development, you will be able to see the along most of the things. So yeah, all the things we are having, we will be discussing very important or interesting thing that I am currently working on and currently exploring it. So yeah, most important things. For now, that's it for us today. Welcome you to our channel and join our community and share your thoughts, share your progress. We will love to see your progress and love to see connect with practice together. That's it from my side today. Meet you in the next session. Good night. Radhe Radhe. We will be in the next session practicing with this like real time Redis style memory DB engine, e-commerce architecture, and many more. That's it from my side. Okay. Radhe Radhe.